Hi Glam Gazers, wonderful to see you again. My name is Kathy and this is my makeup journey. Today's video is going to be all about the Ipsy Glam Bag for June 2020. It is a subscription service from Ipsy. It has 3 tiers. This is the first one. It is $12 a month and it gives you deluxe size versions of items that you normally wouldn't, kind of jump into unless, you really really wanted to dive in and without making that big commitment for the big full-size version. So this is a great way to go. And you get a nice little bag like this every month. And let's jump on and let's talk about it. So first up we have is the little card which kind of welcomes you, and it just says make waves, and inside it just says 5 tips to maximize your SPF. So there's no card inside telling you what you got or anything like that, because a lot of these subscription bags are now getting away from that, which is really irritating. So, it's like they're, trying to save money or something. But for 12 bucks, I will handle it. So anyways, you get this cute little makeup bag, and this one has a little handle right here, the pull tag, which says Ipsy. It's really cute, and I love the diversity on it. It looks like all these ladies are on, sunbathing or whatever, and look at all the diversity, sizes, colors, everybody that you could possibly imagine. I think it's just really cute and really out there talking about women and how important we are. So let me empty this out and let me give you a tour of inside this bag right there. And it's a nice kind of like a plastic, so I like to switch these out every month, just kind of change it up, so when you pull it out when you're out with friends or whatever, you have all your makeup in one place and you get to freshen it up every month so you don't get all bored and all that. So first up we have is, let's see, eggplant right here. Let's talk about this. And this is from Papa Recipe. And this is a clearing mask. It's basically, it has fruit and it's a mild cream milk. And, what you do is you put it on, you clean your face, you put it on, and you rinse it off after about 10-15 minutes and it does its magic. And I really like that it has its little security tab on it, which I really enjoy, especially these days. Next up I have is from Kat Von D right here. And this is her Locket setting powder right here. It's translucent. And this is, one of these things I love about Kat Von D is her stuff is really vegan and all that. And it does have some, some good qualities to it. I haven't had any problems with the quality at all. And she just sold out, I believe, her company, her share, so now it's just KVD versus Kat Von D. But you know what, this stuff is really good for a setting powder, really excellent. And what's interesting is a lot of setting powders, when you put them under your eyes or whatever, they have that flashback in pictures. This doesn't do it, so that's a big thumbs up. Next up I have is from Ofra. Great stuff right here. And this is called, this is a highlighter called Covenant Garden. I think this is worth the admission price for me. And open it up, look at that. Really pretty. I think this is just absolutely lovely. And let's do a swatch. Whoa, look at that. That is beautiful. Let me put it on the back of my hand. That is some really pretty colors right there. And this is a nice little rose tone, but it's not overwhelming or anything like that. It goes on really smooth. So that's a keeper, as I said. That's the price of admission for me. And this is a full size, so you're getting your money's worth. Then next up I get is from House of Makeup. And this is a nail lacquer. it's long lasting, which is kind of interesting to get that all of a sudden, you know, everybody's sending out all these, you know, nail polishes. But this is a nice size. This is not, doesn't look like, you know, a sample size. And this is in the color flat white. So, you know, for us doing it stuff at home nowadays, this is really a keeper. And it doesn't look like a flat white to me. Let me see if I can get it up there. It's kind of looking like a light beigey pink. So that's okay. I think the name is a little deceptive. Then the last thing I have is from Nanette Lepore. And this is, excuse me, is a body lotion, and it is, let's see what it says. It has a coupon on the back, which is too small for me to read, but it is a body lotion, has the little cap on it, but this one, from what I see on the packaging, it has, it's a fresh bouquet, and it has jasmine and rose kind of scents to it. So I think this is a really cool one. So I think for 12 bucks, I think this is a big thumbs up for me. I don't think the Ipsy Plus, you know, the Ipsy Glam Bag for 12 bucks ever disappoints on it, especially since you get the nice cute bag. Then I have the body lotion. Then we have the face mask. Then we have the highlighter, price of admission right here. Then we have the nail lacquer. And then we have the Locket setting powder from Kat Von D. So I think this is a real keeper. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I will, you know, leave a link below for Ipsy. And you know what? Thanks for watching. And I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget to do a big thumbs up, likes, and subscribe.